This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Nelly Perez. Gorgeous, move-in ready 4-bedroom, 1-story home featuring high ceiling, open floor plan with large living room leading to breakfast area and kitchen west/lots of storage. Spacious master bedroom with walk-in closet, standing shower, a gazebo and a shed in the backyard for more storage. Schedule to see this gem today. Submit all applications with driver's license copy, 2 recent pay stubs, application fee of $50/applicant 18 years of age and above. Room measurements are approximate. Please verify. Please verify school information. Thank you for showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Nelly Perez at 281-392-9272.